In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from an image using Canva AI quickly and easily without needing advanced photo editing skills. This is a super useful trick if you want to clean up a graphic, remove unwanted wording, or make an image look more professional for social media, thumbnails, presentations, or marketing designs. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips, AI editing tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Canva project and go to the design that contains the image you want to edit. If you're starting from scratch, you can upload your image into Canva first, then open it inside your canvas. Once your project is open, click directly on the image that has the text you want to remove. This is important because Canva needs to know exactly which image you're editing before the AI tools become available. After selecting the image, look at the top menu and click Edit. This will open Canva's editing tools on the left side of the screen. From there, scroll through the available options and choose Magic Eraser. Canva's Magic Eraser is the tool that lets you remove unwanted objects, marks, and text from an image by painting over the area you want cleaned up. Now use the brush tool to paint over the text you want to remove. Try to cover the full text area as neatly as possible, including any extra edges or shadows around the lettering. If the text is small and detailed, zoom in a little so you can work more accurately. If the text is larger, you may need to brush over it in sections so Canva can process it more cleanly. If needed, adjust the brush size before or during the process. A smaller brush gives you more control for tight spaces, while a larger brush is better for big words or broader text areas. The goal here is to mark only the text you want removed without covering more of the image than necessary. That helps Canva AI fill in the background more naturally and gives you a cleaner result. Once you've painted over the text, click Erase. Canva will then process the image and remove the selected text automatically. Depending on the complexity of the background, it may take a few seconds to generate the result. After it finishes, take a moment to review the image closely. If anything still looks off, you can undo and try again, or brush over remaining parts of the text for a cleaner finish. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up an image in Canva, especially when you don't want to use complicated software or spend time learning advanced editing tools. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and really helpful when you need a polished final design. And that's how you remove text from an image using Canva AI in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Canva tutorials and AI editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.